Hi guys, been a fun weekend with me, Mom Edition. So as you can see, we're all dolled up in red for a Christmas carol at the boys' school. How cute are my boogsies? Oh my goodness, they're just so cute in their little bow tie. So this was just us before the festivities began, taking selfies, and it was time for Jameer to perform. The boss gets stage fright, even though he promised he wouldn't. So yeah, we took a little break for snack time. As you can see, Javid love him cheesies. Before you knew it, the service was over and we headed out. It was such a fun day, and I think the boys enjoyed themselves. Next day, we were off to their fun day and final day of school, and I decided to go along to monitor them a bit, because really and truly, these boys can be a handful, and I knew it was gonna be a lot of them. So I said, let me go and chill with them and enjoy myself. So as they reached, them jump in the helicopter. They had another merry-go-round. They rode rides for the entire day.